Hi everybody, Planner Anna here. I've got another unboxing here of a paper, pen and plan box. This is the February box. I had a few months off doing videos, but I thought I'd come back and do one. I have already opened this. It doesn't come looking quite so messy as this, but I've already had a little sneak peek this morning. So this is the February box. And it says here the colour scheme is pastels, which I love, with a pop of black for contrast. Basically the theme is documenting our daily lives, which I love doing my scrapbooking and things like that, so it's perfect for me. Right, I'll move it back in, can't make my mind up. Got a cute little heart washi on here and here, because obviously February is Valentine's month. And here we go. It always comes lovely wrapped in tissue paper, which you can use for different crafting, or you can, you know, give it to your cat, which is probably what I'll do because she likes to climb any tissue paper I get. Right, let's see, got a whole load of stuff in here. Oh. Right, let's just check that I'm in the picture here. So we've got some papers first of all, let's see, with some butterflies, they're cute, all different pastel colours. Can't get them open. Here we go. So what have we got? A big bit, but it's got all different months. That's really good. And a scalloped fish scales. Don't know what you would call that. Very nice. And then there's little ones. Oh, which little version of that, and then a butterfly and striped. These are really nice. And it's good that you get, you know, big and small, because I quite often make a dashboard out of these for my planner, or if you want to do some scrapbooking, these are usually sort of the size of the big cards, or you can cut and make small cards, or you can do all sorts. So I like these, very nice cards. And then they've got another big envelope, and they all come sealed with these cute little Planner Penelope stickers, which I'm trying to show you. Here we go. These little paper bags, which obviously you can reuse for whatever you fancy as well. And what have we got here? Ooh, stickers. Oh, very nice. This is a Teresa Collins Daily Stories. We've got numbers. These would be little sort of tags that you would, I think, fold in half and you could put on the top of your page. Snapshots, memories, happiness. These are very nice. And then we've got bits for the top of the page. Days of the week. These are lovely, nice colours. Oh, and it matches the paper. We've got the maybe fish scales, stripes. Very nice. I do love a good sticker. Right, let's turn the bag over, and then we won't ruin the surprises. This has got the password for the digital downloads. It's also obviously covered that up, but there's normally a variety of different things. Cards and things like that. I don't know if they're up there yet, so I haven't printed them off yet, but if you have a look back on the Paper Pen and Plan website, I'll try and put some projects up. If you're not a member of the Paper Pen and Plan Facebook group already, then you should join, because that's where we post things that we do and general crafty chat, life chat, whatever. Okay, now these are very interesting. So it's like acetate, what am I calling these? Journaling cards. So you could overlay that over a photo, or you could stick things on it. I actually, for Christmas, got some embossing stuff where you sort of stamp with like glue type stuff and then put glitter over the top and things like that. So I could also have a go with that. This one's good because it's got days of the week, months, and a wee calendar, so you could mark on when this from. That would be good for a title page. And then we've got numbers, and then this one's a little butterfly. It's lovely how this all matches perfectly. You could do something like a Sharpie pen that would write on these, I'm sure. So I've never seen anything like that before, or used anything like that, so that is very exciting. You could also use them to make a shaker board, because yeah, I'm into making shaker boards now. What have we got here? Oh, this is a creative kit. So it says it's about documenting daily lives. We don't make some die cuts. basically it's a whole load of different die cuts. It says our creative team members will be sharing their projects on our Facebook planning group. So that's me, so I better get crafting. So I have got a pink heart. Pink's my favourite colour, so that's good. And then a heart cut out, so you could put a photo behind there or write something. Some little die cuts that are tiny hearts and a family, which you could use as it is or paint it or stamp it. And there's some cute little pink twine and some little clips. I think Claire already did something using this. It was a tag with different things on it. It looked really nice. But I will try and come up with something different. These might be journaling cards, which are always one of my favourite things to get because I love a bit of scrapbooking. So what have we got? They've all got the same back, which is this kind of mesh. I don't even know what you'd call that. Circular mesh, I guess. So this one is spotty with a big, but I like these ones where you can write stuff. So if you're doing a spread on a certain thing, you can write what day it was and what happened or whatever else. And then we've got, it's a beautiful, wonderful day. That's also got a little bit of a date bit, so you can put on what day it is. And then this one's like a tag, so you could either cut that or just use it as it is. Well, this one's like a little bingo card. That's cute with the little matching butterfly. And then this one, you are my happy. So that would look really nice on a bigger spread, I think. You know, with somebody from your family or your partner or whatever, your cat. And you could put that on, or you could put a picture underneath it and lift it up. What else have we got? Do the last little paper bag now. Oh, some more tags. So these ones are like proper. Oh, there's 3 of them, proper tag. Oh, so it's again that fish scaly type one. Spotty with like an ice cream cart top and floral. They all pop out the holes, just white on the back, so lots of different options to use for that. You could even hang them on the string that came in the creative kit. And then what else have we got? This, I think this may be a wooden die cut. These are all obviously from the same collection, so they all match perfectly, which I love. Out you come. So we've got like a little frame which I think matches this one. Yep, it's pretty much the same, so you could even put that in the middle, and then a little wooden butterfly which you could colour in or stamp or something. And then this is really exciting. This is a Prima Planner glue pen. I've actually already got one that I got from the shop a while ago, but obviously having an extra is brilliant because it's not going to last forever. So these are really good because they're not like wet, they're sort of solid, a bit like a Pritt stick, but easier to use because it's like a point, and it's much more delicate. So they're designed for planner, but they're perfect for anything really because it's gel based. So it says here that it's repositionable when wet, permanent when dry, which is always good because I'm very guilty of putting things on squint. So it's really good to get another one of them. Washi tape. I love these little cute see-through bags as well. What have we got? It's the heart-shaped one that was on the box, which is really cute. That's lovely for Valentine's Day or anything really, because it's a nice pink and I like to do a lot of pink things. It'll be very versatile. Now our sweet treat is some mini little Smarties. Who doesn't love Smarties? And there's a couple more things. What have we got? A little charm. Again in a cute little packet. There we go. And what does this say? Never, never give up. That's really cute. I've actually got a mini happy planner, a fitness planner. Not really started that yet. That was one of my kind of New Year's resolutions, but it's not got very far. But this will be good for a bit of motivation. Oh, dropped that. And then we've got some little die cuts again in a cute little bag. And these, I think, are they all butterflies? Oh, they're in a... Oh no! What are they? They're like... Oh, I think they're sticky. They are. They're like double double layered, so they've got a big one and a little one, but then they're sticky, so you wouldn't throw. Cool. And that's again in your matching little papers, so it all complements beautifully. So yeah, another lovely kit from Paper Pen and Plan. So like I say, if you join the Facebook group or look on the Paper Pen and Plan website, you'll see the sort of things that myself and the other creative team members are making.